At one point, the snake had hundreds and hundreds of legs, but no eyes, so he couldn't see anything, and he often ended up bumping into things. Hey man, I literally just prepared my best stripes for the Festival of Colors. Can't you see? No, I can't see. I got no eyes. Maybe you should ask Tortoise for some advice. Ooh. Oh, come on, Snake. Watch where you're going. I don't have eyes. Oh, forgot. Oh, I have an idea. How about you borrow eyes from someone who doesn't want to go to the Festival of Colors? Then you can return it when you come back. Oh, that's a good idea. Well, who do you think I should ask? Well, you could try Frog first. He's sick. Okay, then. Oh, hey, Frog. So, could I borrow your eyes? I brought some herbs for you here. Oh, thanks, Snake. Here, you can borrow my eyes. Oh, these eyes are way too big. I can never use these to the Festival of Colors. Ah, you can have them back. Oh, hey, Chameleon. Just brought you some dead flies for you to enjoy. Could I borrow your eyes? Oh, sure thing, if it gets me these. Oh, yes. Anyway, here you go. Oh, how do you live like this? I can't see anything in here. Okay, you know what? You take these back. I can't take this. Oh, forget it. I'll never be able to see. Oh, well. Guess I'll just stay here. Hey, you, can you help me? I'm stuck in a ditch, and I can't get out. Can't you see? Well, no, I don't have eyes. How could I see? Hey, how about we trade? I can give you my eyes, and you can give me all your legs. Well, that seems like a fair trade, because then I'll be able to see the Festival of Colors, and I'll be able to get out. Okay, it's a deal then. Finally, I'm out. Thanks, man. No, thank you. Now, these are perfect eyes for me. I can see everything now. Now I can go to the Festival of Colors. Wow, finally, Festival of Colors. Oh, wow.